Welcome to Munich, Germany. I'm here in the Marienplatz, like the main square of the town, the city. Definitely a city, very busy. This is the town hall. Very cool. Very cool square where people from all over the world are gathered. And just down the way from the Marienplatz, this beautiful cathedral is called Our Lady, Munich. It's hard to get a real good picture of it. The buildings are so close, you can't go very far back. So they go from underneath. But you can see these towers from quite a ways away. They stick up above a lot of surrounding buildings. Green domes. A nice Munich landmark. One last look at the cathedral as we walk away. It was built in the mid-1400s. We will go back this way through the Marienplatz and on to perhaps Munich's most famous landmark, the Hofbrauhaus. Back entering the Marienplatz, and we'll continue this direction to get to the Hofbrauhaus. Here at the world's most famous beer hall with a guy that doesn't drink beer. But I will eat some pretzels. At least a pretzel. And maybe some dinner. This is the famous Hofbrauhaus. If you want to do Octoberfest, this is the center of the world for you. This is where they have the huge beer steins, the big huge pretzels. This is where it all started. It does have a dark past as well. This is where the Nazi party, the Third Reich, started. But this building dates long before that. And there's a great history before that. Let's not let a few idiots spoil it. But yeah, the Octoberfest history, the celebration, great history it has here. It's pretty amazing. So let's go in. Anyway, what I mean to say is this building is not the reason for the Nazi Party. They used this building to meet at the beginning, but if this building did exist, they would have picked another one. So this building is not synonymous with Nazis. It's synonymous with great Bavarian culture. Everybody's hanging out in the courtyard outside. Look at the t-shirts for sale in the gift shop. Girls one. And the guys one. Shorts. It's hilarious. Five of those pretzels. Here's my pretzel, and it's a monster. I think that's big. Biggest pretzel I've ever seen. Same with these beers. Now at the headquarters of a little car company you may have heard of called BMW. You can see the building there. It is designed to look like 4 cylinders in an engine. Pretty cool looking design. All these buildings around here belong to BMW. The tower is really the one that gets your attention though.
Okay, now what was I made? I think that will probably just be outside. We've got exactly 6 minutes.
Over here we have the site of the 1972 Munich Olympics. the BMW plant right over here. And the BMW headquarters. See, they've turned the Olympic area into a park. It's quite popular. And of course, the Munich Olympics is also known for the tragic event that happened. Terrorist attack that happened. All the Israeli athletes were kidnapped, Palestinian extremists, and they were all murdered. This is the memorial. Just about the place, I believe right over there, where they were murdered. The 1972 massacre memorial.
Auch im Publikum verbreitete sich Unsicherheit über den Ausgang der ohnehin schon blutigen Terroristenaktion der arabischen Guerillas.
They broke right into the village where the dormitories where they stay at.
Das werden die letzten Aufnahmen sein, die wir bei Tageslicht machen können. Das fällt auf, wenn man